लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्ट। बेटा इस वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे कि हीट का ट्रांसफ़र सॉलिड्स में कंडक्शन की वजह से किस तरीके से होता है। हमने अगर अपनी रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में देखा हो तो हमने देखा होगा कि जो हीट है वो मोस्टली ट्रांसफ़र होती है सॉलिड्स के अंदर कंडक्शन की वजह से। कैसे? जब हम मैगी बनाते हैं, व्हेन वी कुक मैगी, आपने देखा होगा मैगी बनाते समय जो पैन है वो गैस के ऊपर रखा रहता है, लेकिन मैगी अंदर से पकने लग जाती है, या कोई भी खाना जो हम बना रहे हैं वो अंदर से पकने लग जाता है। इसका रीज़न क्या है? रीज़न ये है कि कंडक्शन की वजह से जो नीचे का तला है वो पैन का गर्म होता है और पार्टिकल्स मूव होकर खाने के अंदर वाली परत पर अगले एंड तक पहुंच जाते हैं। लेट वी डू एन एक्टिविटी टू शो द कंडक्शन ऑफ हीट। What we require for it? Iron rod, stand, iron nails, candle, melted wax. What is the method? We take a flat aluminium rod and fix some iron nails on it with the help of melted wax. Just like this, one by one. This rod along with its iron nail is clamped to the stand as shown, and we lit the candle like this. When we heat the free end of the aluminium rod by keeping the burner or the candle below it, we will see the iron nail attached to the aluminium rod with the wax start falling down one by one. The nail attached nearest to the heated end of the rod falls down first, and the next one falls again, and last of all. This observation can be explained as follows. The heat can transfer from hotter region to colder region. What is the reason behind it? The reason is this: when the heat is transferred by the process of conduction, the particles of solids start vibrating, and this can be explained in solids that the particles are very closed with together. During conduction, heat is transferred and the particle to particle movement is going away by the vibration of the particles causing by the heat energy, and the particles of solid remain at their fixed position. There is no actual movement of the particles of the solid from its hotter end to the colder during the conduction of heat. All the process. Do all the substances do conduction or conduct? No. Only materials, metal such as iron, copper, steel, etc. They allow heat in them, that's why they are called conductors. But plastic, glass, thermocol, wood, rubber, these cannot allow heat inside them, so these all are called insulators. Good conductors of heat are metals, and the others insulators are the bad conductors of heat. So what we learned, conduction is the flow of heat through a solid. Without the movement of solid, it transfers from hotter region to colder region. During conduction in solid, heat is transferred along the body of the solid from one particle to another without the movement of that particles. Substances that conduct heat well are called good conductors of heat, and that do not conduct heat are called poor conductors or the insulators. Thank you. Subscribe my channel for next notification.